Sabi ni Ma'am Greenlist, all mortgage needs a pre-approval beforehand. I'm a mortgage broker firm owner abroad. I don't advise the client to sign an MOU without it. Or I always ask them to add a pre-approval clause. So, mas maganda talaga na dumaan po tayo sa pre-approval process before po tayo mag-reserve ng property. After natin mag-reserve ng property, doon na under yung down payment. And then after down payment, ando na po yung loan approval natin sa financing. Okay? Good news sa amin, reservation fee and then approval na kagad. So, no spot down payment na po tayo. Lalo na kung ready for occupancy yung i-avail po ninyo. For as low as 10,000 to 25,000 reservation fee or cash out, okay? Pwede na po kayo makapag-avail ng 2-bedroom unit. Okay? Ang maganda pa dito, meron pa po tayong pre-approval. Okay? Libre lang naman po yan para sa mga pag-ibig clients or sa bank financing clients natin dyan na gusto at interesado na mag-avail sa atin ng property. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Greenlist. Isa siyang mortgage broker firm owner abroad at talagang ina-advise niya na magpa-pre-approval talaga tayong lahat bago mag-avail ng kahit ano basta dadaan sa financing. Para ma-make sure natin na ma-approve tayo sa kinukuha nating loan. So, follow me and message me kung interested ka.